I will show you how you can grow your own membership program, your own coaching program to, let's say, 2K per month recurring income by signing people into $97 per month subscriptions so they can be part of your course, your community, your coaching weekly calls. And I'm gonna step by step show you right now how the full model works and how you can sign up your first 5 members who start paying you monthly fees. And after you watch this full video, find the link down below. Join our free Skool community where we support one another on this journey of growing membership programs. The goal of a person who came across the idea of running a school or running a membership program, the goal usually is that that person gets to 2K per month recurring income. That's that golden milestone. That's what we're going to talk about, right? How to build a membership program using Skool. Just for anyone who doesn't know what Skool really is, it's an app where you can host your membership program, and it's very simple for your members to come in, pay you through Skool, come in, have a community access, classroom access, the courses and the stuff like that, and calendar access. It just allows you to have it all in one place. Now, here, that's our first step to understand this goal. I want to build a membership program and grow it to 1K, 2K, 3K. And I usually teach everyone why someone actually should run a membership program. It's because it's recurring. Running a membership program doesn't take a lot of your personal time. You can serve a group of people at the same time, and it's scalable, right? You can coach a group of people, of course, do some one-on-ones as well, right? But it's like, hey, 2-3 hours per week of you having that coaching class with a group. You can serve 20, 30, 40 in that one class, and you can have them all paying you $100 per month, right? It's more affordable to them to even pay and stay on a monthly basis, and they can stay for a year or two. The goal of your membership program is that you deliver to another person certain outcome, certain result. They should go through certain transformation. They should get certain outcome that they achieve, for example, lose weight, be more fit, whatever the niche is, right? And you should design it in a way that they could do this in 1 year, for example, being part of your membership program, right? We need to treat this program as a mini hybrid coaching program. Later on, here at the end, I will explain you the first 3 steps you should go through to build your stuff, right? Design your membership offer is that first step. I have a free course in my free Skool community. Find the link down below. Come in. You're going to get this course for free. And the first step is going to help you get the membership offer up, decide on the price point, create the course for it. And then I even teach you how to open Skool to upload it all there and so on. Now, here is the step 2 of the whole idea. How to get people in. Imagine you are ready to charge $100 per month or less or more, whatever, right? But now, how to get people in? I created this mini formula here. We call it list building. It's a list of interested people. I will show you 3 ways of how we build this list of contacts, and I'll show you as well how we then get these people from the list into the membership program. The first step that I usually get people to do is, can you think of 10, 20, 30 people in your network, your past, previous clients, anyone who's already engaging with your content, who commented, who interacted with you in the past. Can you write those people down manually? Because we can manually kind of reach out to them and talk to them and potentially sign them up into the program, right? I teach a very authentic way of talking to people, chatting with them, getting them on the calls, talking with them on the calls, and asking them a probing question. Hey, would you want to interact with me more? I have this membership program. We could keep meeting on a weekly basis, right? Are you open to knowing how that looks like? And then they will be like, yeah. And then we turn that call into a sign up, right? That's that first way of building a list, writing some people down manually and being able to talk to them. So another thing is, where do we write people down to, right? And the simple answer is, when I started, I wrote down people into an Excel document. Right? Imagine an Excel document and I just put name and email, and that's the advanced way. I have a mini software here that I use. It's called a CRM. We can write contacts down like that, and we can tag people on the right here. We know exactly who are our members and all sorts of other things, right? This also allows me to talk to people now. There is more advanced things like a sales pipeline here. We can email people from here. We can mass email people. The second point now here is how we build a list of contacts is email list building as well. And this software allows us to also have like a door, an opt-in page, a website mini door that allows people to come to our list of interested people on their own. So here we were more like, hey, let's talk, right? But this is already now a passive way. People can come to our email list on their own. I have a template example here. This is an idea of a lead magnet called an interest list. People now here request more info about my community, my paid community. They don't know it's paid yet. They will be redirected to my paid Skool. They could sign up on the spot right now. But what also happens is they're going to be now tagged here in the software. They will start receiving an automated email sequence that's going to sell them into the Skool membership program on its own, passively. They're going to get 5-7 emails in a row through the period of 2 weeks or so. And those emails will get us direct signups. Here I wrote as well that these emails that we send out, they get people to reply to our emails as well. When I send the first email out, hey, thank you for showing me your interest about the community that I have for you. Here is more info. You can sign up through the Skool link right now. But at the bottom is like, PS, if you have any questions before you join or whatever the questions you have, reply to this email, we will talk. Those replies allow us to lean back to the first thing that we learned. Chat with them now via email or via DMs or whatever happened there. And maybe go on a call if you need to go on a call to close that person, or close them via email, via DMs. So this is all connected, right? Another thing here is that some emails will be like, hey, you've been receiving my automated emails for 3 days now. I've not seen you taking action yet. I'm inviting you to a free call with me. You see what's happening here? We do both. Try to get automatic signups, but some emails get people to reply or to schedule calls, because that app that I showed you before, the software, has this feature as well. You can have a calendar appointment booking page on it. This is also connected now to the software. If someone will book a call, the software will know that this person is scheduling a call now with me. I have the third way of email list building that allows us also to enroll groups of people at the same time, and it allows us to build an email list very fast as well. It's called organizing live workshops. This idea connects again the first 2 steps, and it adds on top a little more. It connects it all together. You organize a weekly workshop, you get a bunch of 10-20 registrants, which builds your email list from your social media or from wherever, right? And then you make an announcement on that workshop call that they can join, and 3-5 people can be enrolled at the end of the live class at the same time. It's like live classes here are sales calls on steroids. But you cannot do this if you never learned how to talk to one person on a mini call first. After the workshop class, if people didn't sign up, you can always follow up with people after the workshop manually and get some sales calls booked as well. I wrote another module here, content client attraction method. How to create social media content so you can attract people, potential clients, to you and get them to take action. The goal of this method of you creating YouTube videos, reels, stories, which I talk about here, the different formats that exist, right, is to get people to comment. There are call to actions here. You see, click the link, either comment or message you, or just engage in the comments, because then guess what? Those comments lead to chats again, right? But you see, content leads to the list anyway. And the list and talking, those 3 things convert them then into our program. What makes you attractive to get more people coming to you, right? You need to be present online. If you are not present, no one can find you. How can you be attractive if no one can even find you? No one can see your stuff. Be present. And then the second thing, what really makes you attractive is you giving value, you giving solutions to people for free. People are like, oh, this person helped me now for free. I guess what's on the other side? I mean, I need more help. I'll take that action. And by the way, giving value builds their authority. They are like respecting you. They are like, this person helped me a lot. I will subscribe. I want to see more from this guy. And they will take action because they want to go faster with you now. And you're authentic. You're a real person. You gave them so much, right? That's what makes you attractive. Putting your stuff out there. Before your content can work, right? You want to optimize your social media channels a bit as well. I wrote that as the first thing here. You need to optimize your channels, because if someone finds you on YouTube or on Instagram or so, they need to see your profile photo, maybe a cover photo that tells them what you do, and they should be able to take some kind of action here. You see, that needs to be here. You know, that's a bonus lesson in my free course as well, how to do a YouTube channel to get a lot of traffic coming to you. YouTube is feeding me with a lot of people messaging me I just joined your school. I need help. I found you on YouTube, wondering if you would be able to give me one-on-one consultation on my YouTube. And another one came across your YouTube yesterday, and Cheryl became my client. Also, Tony became my client. There exists a very simple copywriting framework, which is like always open up your content, whether that's a video or it's a written stuff or so, with a topic, with an idea. Hey, this is what I'm going to show you right now. There are these content lead generation topics to choose from. Open up with a topic, then you can, in a video, YouTube video, you can have a mini soft call to action after 30 seconds. You can say, if you would like to get more help to apply this idea that I'm going to teach you, show you right now, make sure to find the link in the description down below this video and take that step, right, on your own. Like request more info about our private community, right? You remember that opt-in page before? It builds then an email list and gets people to sign up to your paid school, right? And then you teach. Teach them the topic that you promised. Teach, show, and finish with another call to action. And just say, you say, I have the community, whatever, where you can get more help about achieving the outcome, comment invite or so. You see what happens here, comment invite, one of the call to actions. People will be like, oh, I want to know more. And they will come and invite about the community. And there are different formats to create content pieces through. On this picture, you can see some, right? Like YouTube videos, reels, posts, stories, short, 2 steps. But the key here of this idea is how to be consistent. And the goal is to post 3 to 4 per week, because this content gets people taking action, right? Here is what moves the needle, right? If you are not active on daily basis, creating some content, talking to people, running this system, you cannot succeed. The first step for someone is to sign up the first 5 people first. There is a free course here in my school. You can just find the link down below this video and you're gonna get access to the 3 steps: designing your membership offer, set up the school platform, sign up the first 5 members, and you're gonna get free guidance from me in the school community and interact with the community there and with us, right?